Hello, everybody. I'm Matthew Kessie. I'm a practical mystic, which means I spend a lot of time out in the natural world making connections every day. And I'm here to help you find easy and simple ways to start making your nature connection deeper. Now, you may already spend time in the natural world, and that's fantastic, or maybe you're new to meditation, and maybe meditation sounds really daunting, but it doesn't have to be that way. This is just a 3-minute example of ways that you can find a deeper nature connection that will help you clear your mind, manage your emotions for better outcomes, and trust your intuition more. And so today I'm here in Seattle in the beautiful Washington Park Arboretum, and we're going to practice with this magnolia tree that's right behind me. And I noticed that these leaves and the blooms are really big and they're really expansive. And so this is an opportunity to look at this tree and just replicate the tree. That's a meditation. It's as simple as that. So what I want you to do is look at the leaves of this tree and imagine that you have the center, which is the bloom that's getting ready to emerge. You have your center, and then from there you are becoming the big leaves that are growing out. How can you expand and be big? So sit with your center, focusing on you have the center of your body is like the center of these branches and this flower, and then you're opening up. And just spend some time with that. There's no right or wrong way to do this, but this is an example of just a simple way to connect to the natural world that gives you all the benefits of meditation.